Once upon a time, a few days ago, deep in the forest lived a little bear named Wesley the Poop Bear. Wesley suffered from severe diarrhea. His condition was so extreme that his entire house filled with excrement to the extent of which he could no longer bear to stay inside. Departing from his abode, he walked along the forest streets in search of something to plug up his smelly gluteus. As he searched, he came across a friendly porcupine dining upon some delicious prunes. Smelling the awful pungent stench, the little fella screamed as he gasped for air. Wesley, startled as well, asked him for assistance in his endeavor. The porcupine, not being the most intelligent forest animal, suggested that some prunes may cure poor Wesley's explosive doo-doo. Sadly, it did not. So, Wesley continued along, clenching as he walked. A few hours later, he could no longer hold it in. Relieving himself behind a bush, he was rudely interrupted by an angry lizard who happened to be sleeping behind that bush. After much unpleasant language from the lizard, Wesley explained his dilemma. The lizard, being wise in his old age, offered Wesley an old reptilian remedy. He drank it and went on his way, unaware that the old lizard wasn't wearing his glasses and gave him the wrong remedy. As time passed, his problem had grown to the extent of which he was in tears, trying to hold it in. Feeling as though he might explode, he went deep into the forest, so that way if he did, no one would have to smell it. As he lay in wait of his demise, an old bear waddled up and offered his paw to Wesley. Inside it was a little piece of, well, Wesley was unsure of the object's denomination. Regardless, he knew what it was for. The old bear, without uttering a word, offered Wesley the object and motioned him to consume it. Smiling, Wesley finally felt relief as he let out one last giant crapper nugget. He lived happily ever after and pooped on a regular, normal schedule. The end.